Assalamualaikum, and I do hope you enjoy with my presentation by today. I'm Riswan Efendi from Faculty of Science and Technology, University Islamic Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau, Indonesia. Now I would like to present on the second international conference on innovative technology, engineering and sciences 2020 with the title of my paperwork, Healthy Diet Food Decision Using Graph and Chi-square Tests. Now I'm going to outline the presentation. First, introduction, conceptual and methodology, association variable, generating rule, and finally, conclusion. Here we start with the theory of rough set. Rough set is related to the classification and analysis of inconsistent, imprecise, knowledge, incomplete information, and it is considered one of the first non-statistical approaches in data analysis. Here we focus two approximation by rough set. First we call as reduction of attribute and object, and the second one dependency degree. Dependency degree, if equal to 1, it means that decision attribute depends totally on C or conditional attribute. But if dependency degree less than 1, it means that decision attribute depends only partially to the conditional attribute. Okay, this slide show you what does it mean, the chi-square statistic. I believe that some of you very common with the test. Chi-square test is commonly used for the testing relationships between categorical variables. The null hypothesis of the chi-square test is that no relationship exists on the categorical variable in the population. They are independent. An example research question that could be answered using a chi-square test, such as, is there a significant relationship between food A group and healthy status? Here I also put the how to calculate the chi-square by using formula. Now we are going to our result. There are two tables here. The first table, I show you, this is the chi-square test before data reduction. So only food F, significant attribute here, is mean that food F has a significant relationship to the healthy status of the people or respondent. Now we are trying to check after data reduction. There are two types of reduction here. The first, the reduction of object, and the second one, reduction of attribute. Okay, P7 and P18 patient or respondent are removed from the data set. It means that they are not inconsistent data. Okay, food D and E also, they are inconsistent attributes, so should be removed. And after the data reduction, table number 2 show you also food F has a significant relationship to the healthy status. So from both tables, we believe that, or we very confident to say that food F is very influenced the healthy status of respondent or the people. Alright, now we are going to calculate the dependency degree. Food A, food B. It means that from food A, food B, so the healthy status of people depends partially around 50% to food A and also B. And another thing, food C and F also the same, but the percentage less than food A and B. So this is the function or dependency degree. Now we are going to propose rule. The first table show you the rule without any reduction. So here all the attribute, all the object already appear here. So there is no reduction for the attribute. So the rule number around 6 proposed rule. Alright. So the second table show you this is the rule after reduction of attribute and elements or object. So we have around 16 proposed rule here. So proposed rule number 1, proposed rule number 2 is from table 1 and table 2 will be applied to estimate or to predict the healthy status of people. So what we have now, so in this slide you can see that by using proposed rule from table number 1, the accuracy of predicted decision around 65%. While from proposed rule from table number 2, after we implement to the actual data, so we has the accuracy of predicted decision around 88.88%. So here we can conclude that the data reduction is very important to improve our accuracy. Okay, what is our conclusion? Here we combine two different approaches, namely rough set and chi-square. So both of approach are very support each other to analyze the categorical data and to analyze the categorical data type. So our recommendation here that please improve your data size, alright, and especially in attribute and also object. So I do hope you can find the benefit from our paperwork, and if you have any question you can feel free to ask. And thank you for watching, and thank you so much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.